Hi, and welcome to the screencast on entering grades into Desire to Learn. First, you'll need to log into Desire to Learn and open up one of your courses. On a black navigation bar, go to the gradebook. Next to the words Gradebook is a down arrow. Click it and select Grades. There are two views that are available to you, the Standard View and the Spreadsheet View. We will start with the Standard View. I have put grade items together so that we can look at this together. As you navigate the Enter Grades area, you will see several variations of icons and grade marks. When a grade item is associated with a tool, an icon specific to that tool will appear in the Enter Grades view. It will notify you of an activity that needs to be graded. Depending upon how the tool was set up, a grade could automatically appear. Item with no association. Ungraded items will have a hyphen next to the total point value. Graded items will reflect earned points out of the total point value. Item associated with a discussion. Ungraded items will have a thought bubble icon and a hyphen next to the total point value. Graded items will have a thought bubble icon and will reflect the earned points out of the total point value. Items associated with a Dropbox. Ungraded items will have an inbox icon and a hyphen next to the total point value. Graded items will have an inbox icon and will reflect earned points out of the total point value. Item associated with a quiz. Ungraded items will have a question mark icon and a hyphen next to the total point value. Graded items will have a question mark icon and will reflect earned points out of the total point value. See the tutorials for each tool to learn more about associating Desire to Learn tools with grade items. The tutorials are located in the faculty learning community, and the link to it can be found on the Desire to Learn homepage. Grading an item. To start grading, locate the grade item column. Next to the name of the grade item is a down arrow. Click and choose Grade All. For these purposes, I went ahead and cleared out the Dropbox assignment here so that I can show you how the grade item works. The submission column identifies if the students made a submission with the respective tool. If one is associated with the grade item, click the icon to see their submission in a new window. And you can see the Evaluate Submission window opens here. You have the option of scoring from this window as well, but for this purpose, we are going to go back and score it from the other window. In here is where you would enter your scores. If you'd like to attach feedback to the student regarding their grade, click the icon in the feedback column. The comments you write here will appear to the student when they are viewing their grades. Notice there are two windows here. The top window that says feedback is the one you want to put your comments in. The one below, the students do not see and would only be helpful for people that are assisting you in this course. When a tool is used, there is often an area to leave feedback that can be attached to the student's actual submission rather than the grade. See tutorials on each tool for information on how to leave feedback. The event log records data regarding grade changes. Click on the icon to see a list of changes that were made to a student's grade. After entering the grades, press Apply at the top of the screen and save your changes. By clicking Cancel, this will return us to the Enter Grades page. Graded an item for one student. On the Enter Grades page, click once on the name of the student to view all the grade items related to that student. You can enter grades, see submissions, and leave comments just like you are when you're in the Grade All screen. You can navigate between students by using the arrows at the top of the page. They'll be in the same order as they appear in the Enter Grades area. You can see user details for each student. View the final grade information for the student. You can also change the final adjusted grade and release and unrelease the final grade to the student. The Grade Items area shows details about each item, including the score, submissions, and comments. And last but most importantly, do not forget to save. The Save button is located at the bottom of the page. Now we'll take a look at the spreadsheet view. At the top of the Enter Grades page, you will see a button switched to Spreadsheet View. Click it. After the view has been changed, the button will now read Switch to Standard View. Use this button to change back to Standard View if you need to. The Spreadsheet View will open every space on every grade item as a place to enter or edit grades. If you enter or edit grades, click the Save button at the bottom left corner of the page before navigating to another area of the course. If you have a large number of cells in the table of the grades, the save can take a very long time. There is a risk of the save timing out and not completing. Save frequently to avoid problems. And keep in mind in the Spreadsheet view, there are no icons for submissions or comments and other functionality of the Standard View. This completes our screencast of Entering Grades.